Well, hey everyone, welcome back to another lecture of Salesforce Bytes. In this video, we'll quickly cover something that's called list view button layout, right? So this was already in Salesforce, but I believe now it has gotten a separate space. So I'm on the accounts list view page, right? And you have different list views available and you have some buttons available here. Right now, what if you wanted to hide or show some of the buttons, standard buttons, custom buttons, or you wanted to create a new quick action? Where would you go doing that? You would go to setup, edit object, and you would create a new button, right? But now Salesforce has provided a separate space for list view button layout. And if I click on this layout, I see that there's one list view layout and these are all the buttons available, right? What I can do is I can edit it. I have no rights to delete it, no one can. And this list view button layout is available. And if I want to remove any standard button, I can just say uncheck. I can uncheck it, right? So let's say I don't want, what am I seeing here? I'm seeing the new import and the printable view. Let's say I do not want to see the printable view and the import button, right? I'll just say uncheck and I'll say save. This will save my list view button and the layout will now be, it took me to the search layout, but if I go back to my list view button layout, I see that those two buttons have gone away. This is connected to search layouts obviously, but if you see that those two buttons have gone away, and now if I refresh my list view buttons, I should just see the new button, right? And this will impact your entire object across profiles. So it's not like, you can add some level of dynamic filters or visibility to some specific profiles. It's only available as an all or none concept. So that's how you would remove some quick actions or buttons from your list view button layout. What about if you wanted to add some buttons? You have some provisions available. So if you have to create a custom list button, you can click on this URL here, link here, and the same for new quick action. These are just short links available. You can go to button links and actions and you can create the same here as well, the same thing. All right, so that's all I wanted to cover in terms of list view button layout. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.